Hey guys, welcome to Echo Hub Digital Empowerment Initiative Training, and I'm glad you're part of the Faceless YouTube training skill entirely. You choosing the Faceless YouTube skill is not a bad thing. Faceless YouTube is an amazing skill, it's an amazing digital skill that you ought to follow up, you ought to pay attention, and you ought to really utilize everything you will learn from this video. This is our introductory class. We won't be talking much, but I'll do my best to make you understand a glimpse of what Faceless YouTube is all about. As you know, starting and growing a Faceless YouTube channel is where the creators does not appear on camera. It's highly valuable business model. It offers privacy, lowers upfront cost of camera gear, and makes it incredibly easy to scale or outsourcing production. Now, in the course of this video and in the course of these tutorial classes, I will give you everything required for you to understand how to launch and monetize a successful Faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so in our next video, we'll be talking about so many things. So do well to watch our next video so you have to understand some certain things about Faceless YouTube. Now, as you know, when it comes to Faceless YouTube as a person entirely, it's a digital skill model whereby you don't need to be on camera. You don't need to start thinking of how much you're going to raise on bringing a production team to cover your content. But in Faceless YouTube, you don't need to be on camera. All you simply need is writing the script, get good softwares for voiceover, where you can use different AI models to generate audio voices. You download certain images to portray whatever character or what you want entirely. Download images, or typically, or you go for animations. You develop certain any animation of your choice to fit in your content. That's what Faceless YouTube is about. Faceless YouTube don't give you the opportunity of saving the cost of what getting a production team when it comes to content creating. So you don't need to be on camera. You don't need to be filmed as a person. You don't need to start spending money on any production team entirely. All you have to do in Faceless YouTube is get the right niche. That's just what you need. The right niche, and you focus on your niche production. That's just it entirely. So you can decide to go for storytelling and entertainment, where you create different animated videos, different AI videos, AI stories. You different variety of AI stories. You can when you go on YouTube, on TikTok, or other platforms, social media platforms, you see AI stories. That's Faceless YouTube. You don't have to be on camera. The animation does or portray everything you want, right from the script writing, the voiceovers, the you see the animated animes on the screen, telling the story and just reflecting everything you have put in play. So that's what Faceless YouTube is all about. Or you can go into reviews, where you start your brand is just basically all about reviews. You can be contacted by different companies for you to review their products. It might be tech, it might be vehicles, it might be maybe mobile phones or laptops, or any kind of sort entirely. They can be contacted. Or you can go into probably let's say education. Then you talk about education, get the right images, the right text, the right pictures entirely, anime that will portray what you want entirely. And all you have to do is edit it and post it on your channel. People come there, view it, and if you hit 1,000 followers, or let's say 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and have up to 400 I think that should be 400 minutes or 400 hours of watch time, your account get monetized. But in our next video, I'll be talking much about it. Okay, so as you see, you don't have to spend money. You can be in the corner of your home, sit on your bed, or even sit on your chair, or you can just stand anywhere, download the necessary script, or basically on what you want, get images, just get free or paid voiceover softwares. All you have to do is just to put in the script. After putting the script, and paste it on your maybe editing software, and just with the twinkle of an eye, you're done. Upload it to your channel, and you start seeing followers coming left and right to start viewing your video. It's as simple as that. Everything about Faceless YouTube can be done with your smartphone or your computer system. So it's quite simple. You don't have to spend any money. All you have to do is just your time and consistency. That's all about Filter YouTube. You can just sit in a place for 5 minutes and develop a video that will change your story for good. So it's quite simple. So in the course of this training, you're going to learn plenty about Faceless YouTube. So thank you for staying all through this class, and I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. See you in our next class.